Question 33, have a go. So the first thing to realise is that this is going to look like a straight line. We've got no squares involved. Y is just so many lots of x in a number, so this is just going to be a straight line. So I think the best thing to do here is just use A to answer B and vice versa. So look, we're told two coordinates, 0, -3. So go and plot that, 0, -3. And we're told another coordinate when x is 1, y is -1. So go and plot that, 1, -1. So we've got the two blue crosses. Get your ruler out and draw in the straight line. And now we can use the graph to find the various values. So when x is 2, y is 1. When x is 3, y is 3. When x is 4, y is 5. Now we might just need to work out the last one, or I could have extended the graph and just seen this down here and seen it was -5. Another way to check our answers is to spot the pattern. Look, we're going up in 2s as we go left to right, or going down in 2s as we go right to left. So just make sure you've got a consistent pattern. Question 34, have a go. Now, this is a smiley face graph. You need to just be able to spot that. Look, we've got x squareds and x's and numbers, so it's going to be either a happy or a sad face. Because the x squared is positive, it is a smiley face. Now, you can basically have a little cheat on these. You can normally answer these without having to do any workings out whatsoever. A smile is symmetrical, so look for the symmetry. And look, we can see we've got a 1 here and a 1 here. So draw a sort of a loop round there. And then really sort of follow like the ripples in a pond. So if the 1 corresponds to the 1, the 5 must correspond to another 5, and on the inside the -1 must correspond to the -1. So as we fan out left and right, we've got the same numbers. So basically we can then plot these, and we haven't had to do any workings out, we've just used the symmetry of the pattern. Now we're being asked to use your graph to find an estimate for the minimum value of y. Now the key thing here is to realise that it's below -1. Okay, we've got the points 1, -1 and 2, -1 here and here. It's not like a vase, it doesn't suddenly go along flat along the bottom. So as long as you've got an answer just below -1, like this for example, you'll be fine.